Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 12b, in which we will practice two more verses of Suratul Kafirun. Let us take Tajweed tip number 13. Relax. Don't recite under stress. For example, don't say Alhamdulillah. No, just relax. Listen to Arabs. For example, the Imams of Haram, and see how relax. They recite like this. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It's very natural, okay? And it should reflect the feelings rather than your stress. So let us continue. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. We recited Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun la a'budu ma ta'budun. We will continue. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. وَلَا. There is mud there, wala, very simple. And the wavy mud means you can stretch twice or more, so we'll stretch twice. Wala antum. Here you have to suppress the noon. Okay? You do that, for example, in English. Pink. You don't say pinic or cynic, sink. Okay? Here you have to stretch it double. Antum. Instead of saying pink, sink, you say pink, kind of. Okay? And here you have to suppress it similarly, but we will learn more about this later on. Antum. So repeat after me. Antum. 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 Again. Antum. Abiduna. Ayn should be clear. Abiduna. Mad is there and oo. Make your lips round. Abiduna. Repeat. Abiduna. Abiduna. Okay. Ma a'bud. This part is clear. We have done it before. A'bud should be clear. Okay. Ma a'bud. No. Ma a'bud. Repeat once. A'bud. A'bud. So let's take the verse now. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. وَلَا, mad is there, أَنَا. Here, whenever أَنَا comes in between, like here, and you're reciting continuously, then you don't say أَنَا. Just say أَنَا. Okay, just say أَنَا. You don't pronounce that mad. عَابِدٌ مَا. Here, ghunna is there on mim. So repeat after me. عَابِدٌ مَا. عَابِدٌ مَا. On that ghunna you have to stretch double. مَا. Don't say عَابِدٌ مَا. No. عَابِدٌ مَا. Again. عَابِدٌ مَا. مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. You don't pronounce dal here. عَبَدْتُمْ. That merger is complete. So repeat after me. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.